Welcome. MedDude is a unique medical knowledge hub endeavoring to provide accurate, accessible, and usable medical information from peer-reviewed researched articles to the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Information on Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Advisory Committee recommended the recently authorized Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for people aged 16 and over in the United States, stating they found it safe and effective. The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine is a vaccine and may prevent you from getting COVID-19. The general information of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. Name of the vaccine, BNT162b2. Manufacturer, Pfizer Incorporated, and BioNTech. Type of vaccine, mRNA. The number of shots required, 2 shots, 21 days apart. How it is given, shot in the muscle of the upper arm. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 disease is caused by a coronavirus called SARS-CoV-2. This type of coronavirus has not been seen before. It is predominantly a respiratory illness that can affect other organs. You can get COVID-19 through contact with another person who has the virus. People with COVID-19 have had a wide range of symptoms reported, ranging from mild symptoms to severe illness. Symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. Symptoms may include fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, new loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea. How COVID-19 mRNA vaccines work. COVID-19 mRNA vaccines give instructions for our cells to make a harmless piece of what is called the spike protein. The spike protein is found on the surface of the virus that causes COVID-19. COVID-19 mRNA vaccines are given in the upper arm muscle. Once the instructions, mRNA, are inside the immune cells, the cells use them to make the protein piece. After the protein piece is made, the cell breaks down the instructions and gets rid of them. Next, the cell displays the protein piece on its surface. Our immune systems recognize that the protein doesn't belong there and begin building an immune response and making antibodies, like what happens in natural infection against COVID-19. At the end of the process, our bodies have learned how to protect against future infection. The benefit of mRNA vaccines, like all vaccines, is those vaccinated gain this protection without ever having to risk the serious consequences of getting sick with COVID-19. mRNA vaccines are new, but not unknown. Researchers have been studying and working with mRNA vaccines for decades. Interest has grown in these vaccines because they can be developed in a laboratory using readily available materials. This means the process can be standardized and scaled up, making vaccine development faster than traditional methods of making vaccines. mRNA vaccines have been studied before for flu, Zika, rabies, and cytomegalovirus, CMV. As soon as the necessary information about the virus that causes COVID-19 was available, scientists began designing the mRNA instructions for cells to build the unique spike protein into an mRNA vaccine. Future mRNA vaccine technology may allow for one vaccine to provide protection for multiple diseases, thus decreasing the number of shots needed for protection against common vaccine-preventable diseases. Beyond vaccines, cancer research has used mRNA to trigger the immune system to target specific cancer cells. The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine is an unapproved vaccine that may prevent COVID-19. There is no FDA-approved vaccine to prevent COVID-19. The FDA has authorized the emergency use of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine to prevent COVID-19 in individuals 16 years of age and older under an emergency use authorization, EUA. What should you mention to your vaccination provider before you get the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? Tell the vaccination provider about all of your medical conditions, including if you have any allergies, have a fever, have a bleeding disorder or are on a blood thinner, are immunocompromised or are on a medicine that affects your immune system, are pregnant or plan to become pregnant, are breastfeeding, have received another COVID-19 vaccine. Who should not get the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? You should not get the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine if you had a severe allergic reaction after a previous dose of this vaccine, had a severe allergic reaction to any ingredient of this vaccine, What are the ingredients in the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine includes the following ingredients: mRNA, lipids, potassium chloride, monobasic potassium phosphate, dibasic sodium phosphate dihydrate, sugar and sodium chloride, which is the diluent, added to the vaccine for administration. How is the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine given? The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine will be given to you as an injection into the muscle. The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine vaccination series is 2 doses given 3 weeks apart. If you receive 1 dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, you should receive a second dose of this same vaccine 3 weeks later to complete the vaccination series. Has the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine been used before? The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine is an unapproved vaccine. In clinical trials, approximately 20,000 individuals 16 years of age and older have received at least 1 dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. What are the benefits of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? In an ongoing clinical trial, the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine has been shown to prevent COVID-19 following 2 doses given 3 weeks apart. The duration of protection against COVID-19 is currently unknown. What are the risks of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? Side effects that have been reported with the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine include injection site pain, tiredness, headache, muscle pain, chills, joint pain, fever, injection site swelling, injection site redness, nausea, feeling unwell, swollen lymph nodes. There is a remote chance that the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine could cause a severe allergic reaction. A severe allergic reaction would usually occur within a few minutes to 1 hour after getting a dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. For this reason, your vaccination provider may ask you to stay at the place where you received your vaccine for monitoring after vaccination. Signs of a severe allergic reaction can include difficulty breathing, swelling of your face and throat, a fast heartbeat, a bad rash all over your body, dizziness and weakness. These may not be all the possible side effects of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. Serious and unexpected side effects may occur. Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine is still being studied in clinical trials. What should you do about side effects? If you experience a severe allergic reaction, call 911 or go to the nearest hospital. What if you decide not to get the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? It is your choice to receive or not receive the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. Should you decide not to receive it, it will not change your standard medical care. Can you receive the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine with other vaccines? There is no information on the use of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine with other vaccines. What if you are pregnant or breastfeeding? If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, discuss your options with your healthcare provider. Will the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine give you COVID-19? No. The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine does not contain SARS-CoV-2 and cannot give you COVID-19. Keep your vaccination card. When you get your first dose, you will get a vaccination card to show you when to return for your second dose of Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. Remember to bring your card when you return. We hope this information is useful to everyone, so don't forget to like and share it with your friends. This is our first video, and we request you all to subscribe and spread the word about MedDude.